Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you have a pickup truck, especially a tall one like this, you are going to love this ladder. This pickup truck ladder from Beech Lane has been a serious game changer with our pickup truck. This is a project that has been ongoing, and I think the longer my husband works on it, the taller this truck gets. So this is seriously a welcome addition. This is one of those items that you did not know how much you were missing it until you had it. So this is such a nice kit because it comes with everything that you need. These parts are extremely well made. They are very durable, made from an alloy steel. They also include the stainless steel self-drilling hex screws, and the instructions that come with this are super clear and easy to follow. In fact, we had this completely installed and up and running in about 10 minutes. So definitely an easy install, and we were really happy about that. Another nice feature is that this is a universal fit. It is adjustable, so it extends up to 45 inches. So this is great because you can use this with a variety of makes and models. There's also traction on the stairs, which makes them easier to go up and down. And I just love the flip up function that even comes with straps that secure the ladder into place when you're not using it. So it literally just rests in your tailgate, strapped securely in place, and then you're just ready to pull it out whenever you need it. So this ladder gives you the security and sure footing to be able to get in and out of your truck bed with ease. It stores very well. It doesn't move around because it's securely strapped in. It's easy to install and made from really high quality materials. So that is why we are super happy with this truck bed ladder, and that's my point of view.